Okay. So arithmetic operators and round function, right? Round function to round the float variables. Arithmetic operations on integer and float. In integer and float, right? For example, print 10 plus 3.3. Printed 10 minus 3.3. 10 into 3.3. Printed. Can I say 10 by 3.3? 10 by 3.3 can I say? Or print flow division 3.3. 10 to the power of 3.3. Ten plus 3.3, 10 minus 10 into 10 by 10 flow division 10 to the power of 3.3, right? Okay. Okay. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, right? 10 plus 3.3, 13.3. 10 minus 3.3, yes. 10 into 3.3, 10 by 10 floor division, 10 into 3. So all these are valid. All these are valid, right? Okay. 10 to the power of 3 means 1000. 10 to the power of 3.3 means the value above 1000, right? Somewhere. Arithmetic operations. For example, arithmetic operations. Can I say like print 4.5, a float value and a Boolean value? Is it valid? 4.5 plus true? Everyone. Valid or not valid?
Not valid, sir. If we can convert a 2 into 1, like if we can, then it can happen.
4.5 plus true, 5.5 it gives. 4.5 minus true, 3.5. Valid.
Oh, valid.
True means 1. Whenever you are using Boolean operations, right? 4.5 plus 5 plus 1.
Okay.
4.5 minus 2, 3.5. Okay. True means 1. Boolean values. True means what? 1.
1.
False means 0.
Okay.
So whenever you are using this Boolean values in arithmetic operations, right? True will be taken as 1. False will be taken as 0, right? That's fine. Now try to say print 5 into false. What is output you get? 5 into false. What is output? 0, right? Okay. Zero. This 5.5 arithmetic operations on integer and Boolean possible. Arithmetic operations on int and string, on int and string, right? An integer and string. Arithmetic operations on integer and string. For example, print, is it valid if I say like hello plus 3? Valid? To a string hello, I'm adding 3. Is it valid? Two strings you can add, two integers you can add, but one string, one integer, you cannot add. It gives error this time. Can only concatenate string to string, but not with. Can only concatenate string to string, but not with integer, right?
Integer, right, sir.
So it gives error here. This is not valid. Not valid, right? Okay. Print. Hello plus. Is it valid? Both are strings, right? Yes. Hello plus 3. Now this is valid. Hello 3. Just I'll increase the font. 1 second. We'll make it 20. You're able to see, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello plus 3, right? Run more. Hello plus. Is it valid? STR of 3. Is it valid? Yes. 3 is an integer converted to string and added to another string, right? Hello plus 3. Hello 3. Run module, right? Okay, fine. Hello 3, right? So this performing arithmetic operations. So addition with a integer not possible, but can I say like print hello into 3? Hello into 3, is it valid? Yes or no? Prints hello for 3 times. What is this? Hello into 3 prints hello for 3 times. Hello into 5, 5 times. Hello into 10, 10 times. Multiplication is possible, addition is not possible. See, hello for 3 times, prints hello for 3 times. Hello into 3 means printing hello for 3 times. Can I say print 3 into hello? Is it valid? Yes or no? 3 into hello. A into B, B into A results the same output, right? So both are valid. Hello into 3 or 3 into hello gives the same result. Fine. So a integer can be multiplied with a string, but an integer cannot be added with a string. You can add two strings, concatenation we call. You can add two integers, normal addition, right? One string, one integer cannot be added. So make it okay. Fine. Otherwise, do one thing. You also go back. Move your chair back. You can just move your chair that side. Little more. You're able to see. Okay. Fine. Okay, next is comparison operators. The next type of operators is comparison operators, right? Comparison operators. Comparison operators with nothing but relational operators, right? Okay, comparison operators. These operators are used to compare the contents of two objects. These operators are used to compare the contents of two objects. Comparison operators. Comparison operators always returns. Comparison operators always returns either true or false. Either true or false. Various comparison operators are greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. Various comparison operators are greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. Fine. For example, x value is 10, y value is 4, right? X is 10, y is 4. Print x greater than y, true or false? X greater than y is true. Print x less than y, x less than y. X value less than y, false. Print x greater than or equal to y, x greater than or equal to y, true, right? Print x less than or equal to y, false. Print x equal to y, x content equal to y content, false. Print x not equal to y, x not equal to y is true. Comparison. Okay. Fine. X greater than y, true. X less than y is false. Greater than or equal to, true. Less than or equal to, false. Equal to, not. Means they are going to compare the contents of two objects. Observe.
Vijay sir, in equal to, we give two times this sign, or
Two
like
times. Two times. Equal to means two times. Single time you means what is the difference? What is the difference between x equal to 10 and x double equal to 10? Both are not same, right?
okay.
So here x equal to 10 means you are making the x value, you are comparing x value, is it equal to 10? True or false?
Mm-hmm.
You are making x, you are checking that x value is equal to 10 or not. You are comparing.
Right, sir.
X and but here you are assigning 10 to x. We have got one more operator called assignment operator. So this comes as assignment operator. You are
Okay.
assigning 10 to x. This assigning 10 to x, but here you are not assigning 10 to x. You are comparing x
Comparing.
and 10. Both contents are equal or not equal, right?
Right, sir.
Different. So generally in comparison operators, observe this diagram once. Okay. Okay. X equal to 10, y equal to 4. X is 10, y is 4. 10 internally one object gets created with value 10. It is going to have some address. The address is given to X. Y equal to 4 also one object with value 4 gets created. It is going to have some address. The address is given to Y. Here you are comparing the contents. 10 greater than 4, true or false? X greater than Y. 10 less than contents false. 10 greater than or equal to true. Less than or equal to false. Equal to false. Not equal to means they are comparing the contents of two objects. Two objects contents are compared whether they are equal or not equal, right? Fine. Next is logical operators. Logical operators. These operators gives logical relationship. Gives logical relationship. These operators gives logical relationship between two objects. These operators gives logical relationship between two objects. Okay. Logical operators. Okay. Logical operators also returns either true or false. Logical operators also returns either true or false. They also returns either true or false. Various logical operators are various logical operators are. We doesn't have any symbol here. We need to say logical and logical or logical not. We doesn't have any symbol. We need to say A and D, OR and OT, and R and not, and R and not. Fine. Observe this. What is logical and logical or logical not? I'm taking X here, Y, X and Y, X or Y, right? X or Y. X, Y, X value true. Assume X value is true. Y also true. If both conditions are true, logical and also returns true. If one is true, the other is false. The other is false. It returns what? And logical and if any one is for example, for attending an interview, right? BTech and MTech both required, and BTech and MTech means both should be true. Qualification BTech and MTech both should be true. If any one is false, it returns false. If false and true also returns what? False. False and false. False will become true. It doesn't have both BTech or MTech. False only, right? Understanding? So it returns true only if both the conditions are true. If any one is false, it returns false. If both are false, also false. Logical OR means if both are true or if any one is true, also it is true. True, right? This true and false. True. False, true. False, true. Yes. False, false. False, false. What? Last one is false, false returns false. For example, logic, think one labor example. For attending an interview tomorrow, either BTech or MTech, anything, anyone is true, okay. Or BTech or MCA, or I'm saying, if you got either BTech, if you got both BTech and MTech, true. For example, any one, true. False, false, false only. If doesn't have anything, false. X or Y. One second. If you want to check, right, IDLE, go to this interactive mode. True or true? What it gives? True. True or false? What it gives? True. Any one is true, returns true. Now your question is false or what is it? False. Wait, false or false? False or false gives what? False. Right? If both are true, true. If any one is true, true. If both are false. Logical OR returns false only when both are false. Remaining all the cases, it returns true. Understand? So if you got this interactive mode, Python has got interactive mode to test the functionalities, right? What is it? Triple false, three false or four false, all are false only. Right? Multiple conditions, right? Even if you are using expressions false, 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 false. But if any one is true or false or true, or see, for example, just check this. False, 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 true is there. If it is a R condition, it is true. Logical R is there, right? False or false or false, final one is true. For to check the result whether a person is pass or fail, 5 subjects are there. Logical and or logical R. Logical and you need to use all the subject 1 and subject 2 and subject 3. If all the subjects pass, only is passed, right? If any one subject pass, means all are passed. No, right? So end condition, subject 1 and subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, all yes passed. Then the yes final result is pass. Fine. Yes, any query here? See here, it's a logical R is there, right? It returns true, true, true in all the conditions, but it returns false only when both are false. If both the conditions are false. See? Fine. No problem. Anyhow, I'm showing you all this, right? Once again, what are the Boolean values? Okay. I'm writing here. We'll see many examples on this. Logical and returns true. Not will be discussing. Not means not what is not true. It will become it will make true as false, false as true. It will make false as true, true to false. Not of false means what? True. Not of true means what? False. It makes one condition true to false. If false condition will make to true. Logical and returns true only if both the conditions logical and returns true. There is one more exclusive OR is there in bitwise operators. Exclusive OR is there. What is that? Bitwise AND is there, bitwise OR, bitwise exclusive OR. In bitwise operators, we have got those. In that, it is different. Logical and returns true only if both the conditions are true. Else it returns false. Else it returns false. Okay. Logical OR returns true. Logical OR returns true if both are true or if any one is true. Logical OR returns false. Logical OR returns a false. Logical OR returns false only if both are false. If both are false. Now try to answer x value 10. See some examples. X as 10, y as 20, z as 30. Everyone try to respond here. 1 second. I'll just keep this in comments. All are in comment. P value. What is the value of P? X. I'm working with both logical operators and comparison operators. Working with both comparison operators and logical operators. X greater than y and logical and z greater than x. True. What is that condition? What is the output you get? What is the value of P here?
Greater than y, false. And
What is
z greater than x, true. False, sir. It will give.
false, right?
Yes, sir.
X greater than y is false. X greater than y. 10 greater than 20 is false. And z greater than x. True. False and true means what? Here you can see. False and true returns false. False and true returns false, right? Final output is false. logical. Run module. What is the output? False. Now see one more example. What is the value of q? Q equal to x greater than y, and z greater than x, or y not equal to z. Print q. What is the q value here?
And false ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Everyone try to answer.
False or
False. Total q value I'm asking.
false, sir. It will give
False. What is output? True. Yes. False. See, observe here, x greater than y means false. So the output will be, final output will be true. X, z greater than x, true. Y not equal to z, true. First logical end get computes. First the preference will be given to logical end. First logical end you need to compute. That result you need to work with. A false and true is what? False. False or true. Or means if any one is true also it returns true, right? Or means end means both should be true. Okay. Final output is true.
true.
A person eligible to vote. What are the conditions? Two conditions to be satisfied. Age should be greater than 18 and logical end. The locality should be, for example, state equal to local. Local to the state and age greater than 18. If both the conditions true, then he is eligible to vote, right? In this way, you can just these conditions. I'm removing all this. Run module. What is output? True, right? Yes. Now observe this next one. One more example on this logical end. R. What is this R value? Observe this. Try to say me the R value. Please down. Yes, one of you. Fine. R value equal to x greater than y. And observe this. Z value double equal to x plus y. R, logical R, y value double equal to z minus x. Now print R. What is R value?
Y 20 is equal to z minus x 20. True, false. True, sir.
True.
It will give true, sir.
What is the output?
True, sir.
X, see here, x greater than y. False. Z equal to x plus y. Z value is 30. X plus y value also 30. Both are equal, right? Comparison operators comparing both are equal. Returns true. or y equal to z minus x. Y value 20, z minus x also 20. True, right? First end operator will be computed. False and true? False. False and end. End means both should be true. False or true. Final output is true. Right? Yes. Fine. Logical operators. Next is assignment operators. Assignment operators. Assignment operators means assigning a value to a variable, assigning one variable to another variable, or assigning an expression to a variable, right? Assignment operators. These operators, assignment operators, these operators are used to assign a value to a variable, a value to a variable, these are used to assign a value to a variable or a variable to another variable, they used to assign a value to a variable or a variable to another variable, or a expression to a variable, a expression to a variable, right? These are used to assign a value to a variable or a variable to another variable or an expression to a variable, right? Fine. Assigning a value to a variable x equal to 10. What I am performing? You are assigning 10 to x. So here assigning a value to a variable, assigning a value to a variable. For example, x equal, okay, not x, y equal to x. What I am performing here? Assigning a variable to another variable, assigning a variable to another variable. X plus y plus 5 or 4. Assigning a expression to a variable. Can we have a special class on this Sunday? Sunday not possible. Early morning, 11:30. Yes. Okay. Assigning a expression to a variable. Assigning a expression to a variable. Okay, fine. I'll be busy with the weekend classes on Saturday. Sunday, that too, this Sunday, little bit free. That's why I was asking, right? So, fine. Okay, not a problem. We'll discuss. Assigning a value to a variable, assigning a variable to another variable, a expression to a variable, right? I'll provide some assignments work on that at least. Some 20. X is 10, y equal to x, z equal to x plus y, right? Assignment operators. Assignment operators are also called as shorthand operators. Assignment operators are also called as shorthand operators. Are also called, okay, shorthand operators means, for example, expression and its equivalence. Expression and its equivalence. X plus equal to, 1 second, x plus equal to 4. What is the full form of it? X plus equal to 4. What is the full form of it? X equal to x plus 4. X minus equal to 4. X equal to x minus 4. X into equal to 4, right? X equal to x into 4. X by equal to 4, right? X equal to x by 4. X, okay, floor division equal to 4, right? X equal to x floor division 4. X modulo division equal to 4. Modulo division equal to 4, nothing but x equal to 5. Okay. X equal to x to the power of 4, right? So this is what the expression and its equivalence. This is the shortcut, this is the full form, right? X plus 4, x minus x into x by. So these things.
Sir, Vijay sir,
Yes.
this I'm little bit not understanding, sir. How x plus equal to 4?
So here x, for example, okay, I'll provide one x. See here, you can just observe x value is 10, right?
It's
X value is 10. X plus equal to 4. What is the print x? What is the x value, everyone? X value is what? Already x is 10. X plus equal to 4. 14, right? How come 14 means? X equal to x plus 4. X value is what? 10. 10 plus 4, 14. The 14 again assigned into x. What is x value? Means whenever you see x plus equal to 4 means the full form to it nothing but x equal to x plus 4. If x is 10, 10 plus 4, 14. The 14 assigned to x. This is the shortcut to it, x plus equal to 4. Understood now? X equal to x plus 4, right? X plus equal to 4 means if I expand it, nothing but x equal to x plus 4. This is the full form of it. So what is the x value? 10. 10 plus 4. What is the output? 14. 14 try to assign to x. 14 assign to x, right?
x.
Try to assign 14 to x. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, okay, for your understanding, more example on this. Now try to answer x minus equal to 6. What is the x value? Everyone try to answer this. Yes. 10 minus equal to what is the output? 4, wrong.
16, sir. 16.
Wrong.
Sir, because x and we are dividing.
No. How come 16 you are saying?
We are no, sir. It is okay. So it is subtraction.
Okay, subtraction, right? Okay. Yeah. Any other answer?
10.
Wrong answer. 8. 8 is the answer, right? How come? 1 second. Yes, 14 minus 6. See, variable. What do you mean by variable? Whose value changes during the program execution? Variable varies. Whose value varies? X value was 10 here. Second line X value became 14. 14. 14 minus 6. X equal to 14 minus 6. 8. What is X value currently? Current value of X is 8.
40.
Now print X. What is X value? X into equal to 2. Print X. X value is 16. Here it was 8, right? 8 into 2, 16. X by equal to 5. Print X. What is the X value? 16 by 3. 5 point. So you will get some 5 point, right? 5.333, right? Understanding? X value was 10 initially. You added 4 to it. 14. 14 minus 6, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 by 3, 15 points. Okay, fine. Okay, next. I'm reinitializing the X value to 10 again. Reinitializing the X to 10. Now try to answer. Print X. What is output? 1 is wrong. 3. Floor division means quotient without decimals. Quotient without decimals. 3 it will give. X exponent equal to 3. Print X. What is the X value? Three to the power of 3. What is X value here? 3, right? 3 to the power of 3. What is the output? 27, right?
27.
27. Sorry. Here, here X exponent is equal to 3, right? 1 second. Here, print X. What is the X value it is going to print? 3, right? X floor division 3, print 3, prints 3 to the power of 3, 27. Observe, run module. 3, the previous output was 3, now it is 27. 3 to the power of 3, it is 27, right? Understood this? Means you are assigning a value to a variable. Assigning a value to a variable, assigning an expression to a variable to another variable, right? Yes. Absolutely. 3 to the power of 3, 27, right? Run module. What is the output? 27. Right? Understood this assignment? Arithmetic, comparison, logical assignment. Next is identity operators. These operators are used to compare addresses of two objects. One thing we forgot in logical operators, logical and logical or. What is logical not? Print. Go to the logical operators. In that, print not of true. What is output you get? False. Not of true, you get false. Not of false, you'll get true. Not of false, you get true, right? Okay. 1 second. Okay. Not of true, false. Not of false, true. It makes true to false, false to true, right? Identity operators are is not. Example 1, x value is 10, y is 20. Print x comma id of x. Address of x and address of y, is it same or different? X address and y address, is it same or different? Everyone.
Different, sir.
X content, y content different, so
Uh,
the addresses are also different.
different.
Y comma address of y comma id of y, right? Okay. Print x is y. X address is equal to y address. True or false? X address is equal to is operator. What is, see that what is the difference between this and this? Print x is y, x, what is this? So this equal to means compares the content of two objects. This compares the address. See, x and y content are same. First try to say x content y equal to y content. True or false? X content equal to y content?
No, false, sir.
False, right? Comparison operator it is. This is identity operator. X address is equal to y address? False. Address of x and y are different, right? Different content means different addresses. X is y is false. Print x is not y. True, right? True. It returns true. Run model. What is that? X is not y. It's true, right? True. False, false, and true. This comparison operator is understood, right? X equal to y means x content is equal to y content. No, x content is 10, y content is 20. But observe this, x is 10, y is 20. The address of x and y, is it same or different? Addresses will be different, right? So this compares the content. This is compares the address. So x address is equal to y address? No, false. Understood, right? Comparing the addresses, this one. Here comparing the content. So comparing the content means comparison operators. Comparing the addresses means identity operators. A value 10, B also 10. A comma address of A, B comma address of B, B comma address of B, right? A comma address of A, B comma address of B. Is it same or different? It should be same, right? Same content. So here print A is B. Print A is B. True or false? True, right? Print A equal to B. What is that? True. A is not B. A is B is true. A equal to B also true. A is not B is false. Understood now? Is operator or is not means identity operators comparing the addresses, comparing the contents, comparison operators. Next is the membership operators. Fine. Fine. Membership operator, two more operators left out, right? Membership and bitwise operators that we'll discuss in the next session, right? So meanwhile, you can work with these operators. Yesterday we have discussed input output statements, right? Input and output statements. So next class on Sunday, fine for everyone? Yes. Sunday early morning. 11:30. 11:30. Fine. Before that, I'll be taking one weekend class, 3 hours before your class. Fine.
Sundar sir?
11:30 fine for everyone or Monday semi fast? Sunday okay, right? So 11:30. Sunday 1 hour. Sunday 11:30. Fine. We'll be working with we'll be completing the operators. Bitwise operators are there. How to convert decimal to binary, binary to decimal? Bitwise means we need to work with the bits, right? So binary, that is bitwise operators will be discussing, right? Sunday. We'll meet on Sunday 11:30. Fine.
Okay, sir. Vijay sir. Sir, I got the previous class recordings ma'am sent me. Notes I didn't got, sir. Yesterday I sent you the email address.
Yeah, I'll be forwarding.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sir, today do I need to send email address?
You can just update in the group, right?
Okay. Sure, sir. I'll update the group.